back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Of course, the links, if you're interested in putting that application in, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I do just ask that if you enjoy any of the job leads that I share, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up like button. And if you know anybody who could benefit from any of these, share with all your friends and family, because we all want to work from home, living our happiest, healthiest life, having that great work-life balance. But today we're going to dive on in and not waste any time. The insurance company United Health Group is hiring a patient pay representative. Now, this is nationwide remote for the United States. A few things to note about United Healthcare. First of all, they are always hiring remote or work from home. So keep this job page bookmarked, and you can click up at the top under jobs and see what else they have available. And two, they are known for not only providing all the computer equipment you need to do the job, but also providing you with high-speed internet. So all you need to do is have yourself. But for this position, they're looking for somebody to work full-time, 40 hours, Monday through Friday. You'll work any shift between the hours of 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So you'll have to make sure that you're available during that whole time zone, because your shifts may be anywhere in between those hours. But you're basically going to be interacting with customers through either inbound or outbound phone calls, gathering support data to ensure invoice accuracy, resolving any billing statement discrepancies, processing any patient payments, and setting up payment plans for those patients when applicable. So you're going to basically be reviewing all kind of patient bills and helping them either get paid or resolve any issues the patient has with their bill. You're going to provide input regarding policy, systems, methods, procedures, and an effective management and control of patient invoice and functions. You're going to help educate the customers or patients regarding the availability of receiving invoices, remitting payments through patient online applications. Now, one thing to note, it does say that you may have to reply to patient about balance-related internal emails regarding patient balance inquiries, concerns, and or discrepancies. So there is a time that you will have to respond to emails as well. You'll interact gathering any support data and making sure just everything is taken care of. This is for general patient-related AR activity. So if they have insurance that wasn't billed, you'll have to make sure that that gets billed. Things like that, just to resolve any billing issues they have with the bills that they are receiving. Now, they don't require any kind of college degree for this position. It's just a high school diploma or GED. They do want somebody who has 1 year of experience with patient billings, collections, or some kind of healthcare experience. They want somebody, again, who can work those specific hours, and somebody who has 1 year of experience in some kind of office administrative, like clerical, things like that. So you have to have basic computer skills. Now, United Healthcare is also known for paying very well. Again, pay is going to be dependent on location and experience, but pay for this position goes anywhere from $16 an hour all the way up to $31.44 an hour. All right, if you made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.